Bradley Surprise Ralani has part ways with Cape Town Spurs. Yeah, there's an article by Kickoff. It says Surprise Ralani wasn't released by the club. He's the one who asked to be released because of personal issues. His contract with us was until the end of the season. So, a report says that he was the one who requested to be released by the club due to personal issues. We don't know what those personal issues are. And the article continues to say performance-wise, he was the same Ralani. I don't think there was any performance issues. Yeah, he didn't have a full preseason. I think that doesn't help when we were at his age. But otherwise, there was no issues. Yeah, so Surprise Ralani has part ways with Cape Town Spurs, and yeah, we hear that he's the one who requested to be released. So we don't know if he had issues with the club, the way they were going, because yeah, currently as it stands, they have only one win. And yeah, the league is almost halfway through. Yeah, they don't seem like they will be able to escape relegation. So yeah, they needed all the players they could, and Surprise Ralani is one of the most experienced players that they have. But yeah, he has just been released. So do you think him asking to be released, especially now in December, do you think there's a team that wants to sign him in January? And where do you think you would want to see Bradley Ralani play? Let me hear your thoughts down below.